He's going to blow the biggest balloons ever.
Big balloons make my boiler bubble, Thomas.
Thomas laughed. He liked to see his best friend happy.
If we puff quickly, Percy, we'll be in time to meet Mr. Bubbles at the docks.
So Thomas and Percy raced to the docks. Then they gasped. There was the biggest balloon Thomas and Percy had ever seen.
Fizzling fireboxes.
The fat controller smiled.
Thomas and Percy, you will take the big balloon to the showground. You must be there by tea time. Chuff carefully.
Thomas and Percy jiggled with joy.
Yes, sir.
Gordon is to take me to pick up Lady Hat and Dowager Hat. Then we will go to the balloon show.
This is a very special, Percy.
The most special of all.
So Percy and Thomas buffered up to the big balloon.